Hello YouTube, I'm David with the David West channel. Today I want to show you how to make fire with a wet empty BIC, and then we'll go ahead and ignite some of this tough tinder. T-shirt material is pretty difficult to ignite with this tiny little ferro rod in here, but that's our challenge today. A lot of times you'll see people do these videos and they'll just dunk it down in the water or turn it upside down. I've always wondered, like, when they dunk it in like that, if there's a little air bubble, some trapped air right there at the striker wheel. So usually what I do is get up close to the camera and pour right down in next to that striker wheel. Pour it out and just show you several times that indeed we are getting this BIC wet. But there's even a better way to make sure that that BIC gets wet. See better if I stand over here? Now that is a wet BIC. But it is not empty, so let's go ahead and make it empty. We'll take out the Stanley 10-049 and bore a hole in it. And I feel the gas coming out already. Now what we need to do is to pry up under this lip here, right there where the indentation is at, and go ahead and pry that up out of there. Take this guard off, and then this child guard, if you bend it all the way back, it'll release and you can pull it out. Then I'm going to take and just knock it on the table until I no longer see moisture coming out of it, and take my shirt and dry that striker wheel off, and then ignite the t-shirt material. Off comes that guard. Off comes that guard. Let's go ahead and start knocking the moisture out of it. And you can see it being deposited on this board here. I'm going to dry it with this shirt because I want to keep this tinder, I want to keep it dry. I've already got a little bit of moisture on it. Still has moisture coming out. I do not see any moisture coming out of it now. Let's go ahead and dry that wheel off really well. I got just a little bit of moisture out of it that time. Let's see if we have our spark back yet. Yep. We got our spark back already. And we'll take a piece of our t-shirt. I'm gonna take this corner, stick it down in here, hold it with my other finger. And then rub that against the table like that. There we go. All right, y'all. Do me a favor before you leave my channel, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and in that drop-down list, select all. And do give the video a like. I appreciate you joining me on this one. We'll catch you on the next one.